Hello everyone. So we are going to look at workflows which is present under solutions in Microsoft Purview. So workflows usually automate the whole process of creating a business term in data catalog or updating the business term, deleting a business term, and also it will help in automating the process of providing access. So if anyone requests for access, a Power Automate flow will trigger and it will send an email to the approver to reject or approve the particular request, and once he approves it, then the flow will automatically provide access to the person who has requested for it. So let's see how this workflow actually can be created. So under workflows, you have new, select new and click on governance, then next, data access request, next, provide the access request name, access request, I'll give the description, warehouse, then click on create. Now it will open Power Automate flow here. So the first step is when a data access request is submitted, then it will start and wait for the approval. So here you have to provide the person's name who is going to provide approval. You have options like reminder interval and expiry settings. So if the approver forgets, or if he needs to be reminded every 1 day or 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month, this is the option that you have to select. Then you have expiry settings. If you want to have this request expired over a period of 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it will get expired. If it expires, you can also get it notified either to the approver or to the person who has actually raised it. Then you go to condition. The condition will take you to if yes or if no. If yes is if the approver has approved it, it comes to the if yes flow. Then it will check for the data source registration for data use governance, and it will also check for data use governance condition. You can alternatively say or, and then if both the conditions are met or either one of the conditions are met based on the rule provided here, it will go to yes and it will automatically grant access. If the condition does not meet, it will go to the no part, and you have to create a task which will actually assign to anyone who is like, you can assign this task to administrator in order to provide access manually. So it says provide data access to data asset. It will give the asset name, description, and the user, and this action will get added automatically. The other flow is if the condition related to the approval is not met. Let's say the approver has rejected it, then it will send a rejection mail here. Your data access request was rejected, and the subject would say access request rejected, and you can provide the name of the person to whom this rejection email should go. It can also, and it will go to workflow requester, the person who has actually raised the request. So once the configuration is set, then apply this workflow. So I want to apply it for sales TW, which has sales tables, data warehouse. Select OK. Once the workflow is applied to particular assets, then validate it. Once it is validated and you get a success, once the validation is passed, you can save and close it. Okay, so this is how the workflow for access management is created.